So guys, we'll be having some a bit of changes with our plans. Right now, maglalaro muna ulit tayo. Ngayon, maglalaro muna ulit tayo, and this time, saan na yun? Ang kailangan natin ata ay 16 people, 8 pairs, tama? Tama no? 16 people, 8 pairs. 8 na tao. 8 na tao lang pala. Okay, 8 na tao lang ang kailangan natin dito, guys. Again, 8 tao lang ang kailangan natin. So, anyone can join. So, kung ano yung lalaroin, as you can see, nasa table ganyan nasa likod. Okay? Anyone can join. Ayun. Okay? Anyone can join? Naka-cosplay man or hindi? Naka-Harajuku man or hindi? Preferably, mga hindi pa naglalaro kanina. Go! So again, I need 8 people. Akit na kayo on stage. Ayan guys, so again, I need 8 people. Akit na kayo on stage. Sige, go. Akit na kayo. Ha? Yes! Go! Go! We have 4 people. We need another 4. We need another 4. Oh, sige, go, go. Yes, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan, itatawag na siya ng kasama niya. Pag nagtawag na siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Kailangan natin isa na lang. One more. I need 1 more person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Sige, itulak mo. Bili, okay lang yan. Kahit ka rin mo na yan dito. Again, guys. Anyone can join. Youngest. Younger. Anyone can join. So, anyone who would like to participate and join sa ating game? Just one more. Hilahin niyo na kayong dalawa. Mag-isip kayo. Go. Sige, go. Akit ka na. Okay. So, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga nag-join and participate. Ayan. Okay, so, here's what we'll be doing. First, I'd like you to pair up. Pair up. Find a pair. Alright, there we go. So, ganito ang mechanics ng game natin. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Okay? Ang pair nyo, ang kalaban nyo. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo, we have here 10 balls. This 10 balls. Ito. So, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo is, right here, tayo kayo dito. Huwag kayong matalas ha. Mabantayan kayo. Dito kayo. Kailangan nyo i-shoot dito sa ating mahiwagang basket. Ayan. Nanosuksok talaga ito sa ulo eh. So, ngayon, ayan. Pretty simple. Kinda hard, but pretty simple. And here's the twist. Ang twist ay, under 2 minutes, kung sinong unang maubos yung bola niya, dito, ang unang tao makapaglagay ng bola dito sa ating basket or net, siya ang panalo. Pag, halimbawa, naubos nyo na sa kamay nyo, may mga nakakalat, kunin nyo yun. Tapos, balik kayo doon. Hindi nyo pwede kunin, tapos lagay nyo dyan. Also, bawal na halimbawa, matabig nyo, nabangga nyo, natumba tong isa, disqualified kayo nun. Okay? Lalo na if ang matutumba nyo ay yung sa kalaban nyo. Pag sa inyo, yung natumba, halimbawa, ako, nasagi ko, natumba itong sa akin. Hindi pa kayo disqualified. Pwede pa kayo umulit. Pero, 0 kayo nun. Wala ulit bola yung net nyo. Uulit-ulit. So, yun ang advantage ng kasama nyo, ng kalaban nyo. Okay? Malinaw? So far, pretty straightforward. Malinaw pa? May question? Guys, may question? Malinaw naman ang instructions ko? Self-support yarn. Okay. So, ayun na sila Herbie. So. Okay. So, sino ang una nating pair na paglalaroin? Tingin nyo, sino? Turo nyo.
Yun. Ayun o.
Sino? Yung nasa gitna? Wait, sige, lapit ako. Sila ba? Sige, palakasan ng hiyaw. Sila ba? Sila? Wala. Sila? Uy, ayun oh. Eto, sila. Okay, wala. Kayo una. Kayo una. Tapos, sino ulit? Sino mauuna? Ito. Ito. Hiyaw. Dito. Okay, mas malakas sa inyo. Sunod kayo. Doon kayo last. Okay? Alright. So, that in mind, first pair, dito tayo. And then, the rest, talikod kayo. Ay, talikod. Doon kayo sa gilid. Sorry. Gilid muna kayo. Kung gusto mo tanggalin yung props, okay lang. Okay? Wait lang. Asan yung... Kukuha ako ng timer. Wait lang. Ano to? 2 minutes, no? Wait lang. Ako ay magta-timer. Kunin nyo na yung bola. Wait lang. Magta-timer ako. 2 minutes. Tignan natin. Ngayon, pag halimbawa, para hindi naubos, of course, kung sino may pinakamarami na ilagay o na i-shoot. Okay? Ready? Atras pa, kuya. Okay, ready? Set. Tapigil la mesa. Go! Thank you. Uy, may naipasok na. Okay. Oh, may blue ball pa doon. May blue ball pa. Okay. Parang baka mamaya nagkulang na to ah. Tignan natin. Last 1 minute. Sampu yan dapat ha, 10 yung bola. Okay. Tignan natin. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, 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 ten. Okay, tignan natin. Oop. Kaya niyan, kapit lang. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And pakikuha po ang bola. Pakikuha po yung bola. Ayan, sige. Hindi yan. Yung mga nakakalat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls! Isa lang ang difference yung dalawa. Palakpakan naman, okay? Sige, thank you for your participation. Kuya, dito ko na sa winning side. Okay. Next pair. Ready? Pakikuha po yung bola. Mark your positions. Ready? Okay. On your mark, get set, go! Nice one. Okay. Uy! Dalawa na, oh. Uy, tatlo na. Uy! Uy, apat na. Taran-taran. Tan-tan-tan-taran. Tan-tan-tan-taran. So once again guys, while we are having an activity here on stage, don't forget to visit the booths of our idol guests and of course our merchant and artists booth. And syempre meron din tayong baggage counter dito lamang yan sa harapan ng stage para man di kayo mahirapan sa inyong mga dalahin sa araw-araw. Ayan. Okay. Okay, hindi ko alam mag-interview. Tignan natin kung sino ang mas panalo. Last 30 seconds. Natin. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Tanin, 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 tanin. Okay. So far, the other one has 3 balls left. The other one has 4 balls left yet. Okay lang yan. Chillings lang yung isa. Oh. Okay. Nakapag-shoot na. I guess they're tied up. Okay. Overtime na. Sorry. Up. Stop na, stop na, stop na. Okay, let's count the balls. Please get your balls na hindi napasok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Okay. Next, thank you so much for participating. You may now go down the stage. Pair na kayo sa susunod. Next pair. Okay. Get your balls, please. Uy, oh, may bunny. Ang cute. Ang init niyan, pero ang cute. Palakpan natin si kuya. Or si ate. Hindi ko lang. Okay, ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. Nahawa ko na ito para na track mo. Ito natin. Okay, walang gamel. Wala pa rin po na ipapasok o na i-shoot. Once again, this is the day 1 of the Ozin Fest from the streets of Harajuku. Live here at Ayala Mall's Fairview Terraces. And of course guys, don't forget, we have an ongoing event sa ating Ozin Hub Cafe. Ayan, meron tayong collaboration with Honkai Star Rail. Make sure to visit our Ozin Hub and Cafe. Actually guys, hanggang May 6 ata yan. And then meron tayong guest for tomorrow. Sila Ian and Sheen Gonzaga. Okay? Okay, Kuya has in the basket 3, 4! The pressure is on. Okay. Ready? Last 30 seconds. Ito na kaya, si Kuya na kaya ang unang makakapagpalagay ng lahat ng bola sa ating Tanin. 2, 1, and buzzer beater sana eh. Okay. So, we've got 8 balls in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh. 7! We got 7 balls again. And we've got 3 balls left. Okay, talagang mukhang 7 ang ating highest balls in so far. Last pair. Go, last pair. Let's see. 3, 2, layo kayo, layo kayo. Layo kayo. Ayaw ano, wala pang bola. Go. Kunin muna. Kaya pala sila lumalapit. Alright. Once again, this is day 1 of the Ozin Fest from the streets of Harajuku live here on Ayala Mall's Fairview Terraces. Atras ng konti. Atras, atras. Start! Alright. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so far no balls in yet. Ay guys, sige, pwede kayo maupo, pwede kayo maupo. Paano kayo mangalay? Tung, 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 tung. Okay, 1 ball's in. 1 balls? 1 ball in. Ito na moral support nyo sa gilid ah. Alright. May ka lang? Okay, last 1 minute. Joke, wala pa. Last 1 minute. Basta iabot, binato ulit eh. Last 30 seconds. Mapasok mo yun. Oh! Nakadalawa na siya. Are we gonna have a tiebreaker? Oh! They got 3! Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Alright. Pakikuha na po yung mga bolang binato nyo. We've got 2 and we got 4. Alright, congratulations. Nice one. Now, thank you so much, sir, for participating. Next, kayong apat, we are now proceeding to our semifinals. Find a pair. That will be your enemy. Wow, enemy. Asan yung pulang bola? Pakikuha mo na yung pulang bola. Okay. Sino magkaka-pair? Count nga natin kung kompleto pa. 1, 2...
Binibilang ko eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5... Uy! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So... Okay. So, find a pair, find a pair. Sino magkaka-pair? Okay, sila na. Okay. Guys, sino ang una? Sila? Or sila? Oh, wala. Okay guys, again, I need your help. Sino ang una? Sino ang una? Sila? Or sila? Again, last one. Sila? O sila? Okay, kayo muna. Get your balls? Okay, this time, 1 minute na lang. Okay, 1 minute. Kuya, get your balls. Yes. Get some balls. Okay, ready? 3, Ay, hindi mo pala ready. Sorry, inuna. Okay. Ready? Go lang. No worries. Parang hirap na eh, no? Hindi ko kaya yun. Okay. All good? Baka malimutan mo may bola ka dyan, ha? May uwi mo, bakit may bola to? Ay, sa laro namin to kanina. Okay, ready? 3, 2, up, atras ka na onte. Wala pa. Huy, wala pa. Wait lang. Kalma. Baby, kalma. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Atras ka pa na onte. Go! Uy, galing. Uy, ang galing. Wala, nasira na. Hoy, matutumba na. Hoy, pag itumba yan, back to 0 ka. Sige na. Ano doon? Ayan. Okay. Mas naging challenging tuloy sa kanya. Oy! Back to 0. Last 15 seconds. One ball in na yung kulay pula. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, congratulations. Okay lang yan, too bad of a luck. Sayang, hindi siya naayos. Okay? Sige. Dito ka na muna ulit. Get the balls. Baka may balls ka pa sa bulsa. Lagay mo na lahat dito. No, wala ako sinabi ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang pa tatlo. 8, 9, 10. Next. Okay, sige, tignan natin. 1 minute ang ating timer. Ready? Let's get ready to rumble. On the right corner, covering blue ball versus red balls. Ready? Go! Okay. 2 balls in. Waiting for, 3 balls, 4 balls. Okay, wala na. 5, 6. Wow! Mukhang mabibit na yung record natin ah. Our highest so far is 7. Okay. Okay, so far 6 ang ating highest. Last 25 seconds. Tignan natin. Okay, we've got last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please get your balls. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hindi talaga nabibreak ang 7. Hanggang 7 ang ating highest. Okay, congratulations and thank you so much sa nag-participate. Last pair. You may now get your balls. Dapat, bilangin nyo muna dapat 10 yan. This time, 30 seconds only. Last 30 seconds. Ready? Okay, no problem. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 1 ball in. 2 balls in. 1 ball in. 3, 4-2, 5-2, 6-2, 7-2. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Okay! Pakikuha yung red balls. Pakikuha yung red balls. Let's count the blue balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! Na-break na rin ang ating record with 8 balls. At dito, ilan kaya ang balls na naipasok? 1. Ilan yung naipasok mo kanina? Nilagyan mo na lahat dito. Parang 3 ata, di ba? Dalawa lang? Dalawa? O, dalawa daw. Sorry, di ako yung witness. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, obviously, our winner is Chainsaw Man! Okay, wait lang. Kuha natin yung prize mo. Palapakan naman natin ulit si Kuya. Once again, our winner for this game is none other than Chainsaw Man! Ito yung medal mo. Congratulations! Ayan, no, you may now... Graduation pala ito. Ay, iba yun, huy. Okay, thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much.